Hi, I'm Kitten, and welcome back to another episode of SunSweetCooking. Today, we are going to be making carb-free meatballs for all you bodybuilders, kids going through growth spurts, and keto people. Let's get cooking. That's amazing. Now, we need to get our ingredients by flexing. Oh, nice! All my ingredients are here. For a list of all my ingredients, look over there. First, preheat your oven to 375. And now you're going to combine your almond flour along with your heavy whipping cream. Now, for those who don't want it keto, you can substitute the almond flour for regular flour. Mix it up and let it thicken. Keep mixing it until it's well combined, and then once it's combined, or when you're done mixing, let it thicken for about 10 minutes. Now it's time to mince our garlic. I like to use this tool because it gets more garlic out and it's easier to clean. Good thing we're building a protein-based snack. This is going to build up your muscles. Oh! Now you are going to combine all of your ingredients except the meat. And then whisk. But I need my whisk. Oh, whisk. Oh. Now you're gonna whisk up your ingredients. This is a good arm workout too. Now we are going to add in our secret spice mix, which includes paprika, seasoned salt, cayenne pepper, and some onion powder. This is optional, it's just like what we like to add. Now it's time to add in our meat. I'm using ground sirloin because it is 90% lean. You can mix and match whatever meat you want. If you want to go half Italian sausage, half bison, you can do that. You can basically do any type of meat you want. Mix and match. Yep. And now we mix. Let's use our natural mixers. Make sure you get all the meat at the bottom. If you don't like the texture of raw meat, feel free to use gloves. Watch me crush this meat. Now you'll want to add in some coarse kosher salt and some freshly ground black pepper. Once it looks like this, we're ready to start making our meatballs. We're gonna make our meatballs about 1.5 to 2 inches wide because we like to eat these as a protein-filled snack. They will have to be cooked longer though. The reason I'm using such a large dish is because that if you're not using sirloin or super lean meat, the grease from the balls is going to overflow. That's why I recommend using a taller sheet. I don't need to spray my dish because the natural oils from the meat will keep it from sticking. What's your favorite protein-based snack? Tell me in the comments down below. When you're done, make sure you wash your hands. Now we are going to bake them for 18 to 20 minutes, or when a thermometer reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Ooh, they're coming along nicely. And they smell amazing. This is also a great meal to make and freeze. So once you're done making the bowls, throw them in a freezer-safe container and freeze them until whenever you're ready to use them. Now our meatballs are done. It's time to pull them out. Now be careful. It's okay to ask an adult for help with this. They will be heavy. We want to make sure that we're at 160 degrees. Yep, these are good to go. I highly recommend to let them cool before you eat them. Otherwise, they'll be tasting like burnt flesh. But once they cool, it's going to be an amazing snack. Now it's time for the taste test.
Twenty minutes later.
I think I'm stronger already. Kitten, signing off. Just kidding. Kitten, signing off.